Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about how to fix lower back pain off to the side. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Have you ever experienced pain on the sides of your lower back? This pain seems to have a complicated procedure to cure, but that's not true. You can fix it with easy lower back pain relief. Stretches are indicated that may help ease lower back muscle tightness, including muscle knots and spasms and lumbar joint immobility off to the side. This may help lower back pain relief in as little as 30 seconds. So watch now, try these 3 stretches, and quickly get rid of lower back pain off to the side. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. An excellent lower back strengthening movement is proven to help build up the lower back, enabling it to future-proof from injury and decrease several models of lower back pain. These lower back exercises can be done at home, work, pretty much anywhere, and anytime you feel pain. It gives you instant pain relief. They're safe, natural motions that are practical toward getting rid of lower back and muscle aches and pains quickly. Number 3. Cobra pose. It is necessary to practice cobra in proper alignment to avoid excessive pressure on your back, neck, or shoulders. Further, experts suggest that beginners learn this pose under the recommendation of a certified yoga instructor. Here is a step-by-step guide that will enable you to practice this pose with mindfulness and focus on body alignment. Lie down in a prone position. Lie face down on your mat with your whole body stretched. Press your legs and the tops of your feet firmly into the yoga mat and put your legs to a hip's width apart. Bring your hands beneath the shoulders. Next, place your hands palms facing down straight under your shoulder and prepare to raise your upper body and head. Start to raise your upper body. Push through the hands to lift the upper body and first reach into a low cobra. Be sure that you are not pushing too much weight in your hands because you want to strengthen the lower back muscles to raise gently. Utilize lower back strengths to raise higher. When you feel stabilized in the low cobra, start to push gently into the hands, even more, utilizing your back and abdominal muscles to lift as high as you comfortably can into a more in-depth back bend. Keep breathing comfortably in and out through the nose. Hold your shoulder blades back and down as you tighten your chest forward. You do not have to stay completely static in this pose. You can undulate and writhe like a snake. Look a little forward and up. Hold your gaze neutral but just facing up. Be sure the back of your neck is long to ensure correct spinal alignment. You can remain here for a few breaths, holding spinal alignment and integrity in the breath. Lower down gently. On an exhale, slowly lower down to the floor. Change to the next pose. Number 2. Figure 4 stretch. Tight hips can be a natural pain in the behind. Still, the figure 4 stretch can enhance flexibility and mobility in your hips, glutes, and piriformis, which is a small muscle that can get inflamed when your hips are tight. Lie on your back and keep your feet face down on the floor. Cross your left ankle over your right knee and hold your left foot bent. Get your right knee toward your chest. Reach your left hand through your legs and interlace your fingers just below the crease of your right knee. Using your arms, pull your left knee toward your chest, pausing when you feel a stretch in your right glute and hip. Hold there for at least 3 breaths. You can hold the stretch for up to 1 minute. Then, release and replicate on the other side. Want to modify the intensity of the figure 4 stretch? One of the most effortless ways is to adjust the angle you bend the knee on the leg you're stretching. More knee bends will improve the stretch, and fewer knee bends will reduce the stretch. You can also interlace your fingers in front of your shin instead of behind the knee for a deeper stretch. Number 1. Butt walk. Butt walks exercises are also called QL walks because the quadratus lumborum, the deepest core muscle located beside the lumbar spine/lower back, is totally activated and stretched during this movement. It is essential to do this exercise after a round of warm-up because it activates the deepest layers of muscles. Therefore, this activity comes under the intermediate classification. Butt walks exercise strengthens the hip muscles and boosts flexibility and mobility in the lower body. It can be used in power yoga sequences and glute opener sequences. It can also be performed as a warm-up stretch before practicing deep back bending asanas. Runners benefit significantly from this activity as the gluteal muscles are crucial to performance. Sit tall with your legs out in front of you to do it. Bend your elbows and then utilize your hips to shuffle yourself forwards and backward along the length of your mat. Do this a few times and then shuffle from side to side across the width of your mat. Have you ever experienced lower back pain off to the side? What did you do to relieve the pain? Share your opinions and experiences with us in the comments section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.